Today, there are many AI influencers out there. They are making thousands of dollars a month with partnerships and sponsors. And you may not know it, but it's easier than ever to create one of your own and generate limitless amount of content. So stay with me because in this video I'm going to show you how to create a consistent AI influencer and generate as many images of her as you like, only using free tools available to everyone. First, you need to go to this site called civit.ai where you can find many models for you to use for free. Here you can find many different models that are specialized in different things, from digital art to more realistic approaches. Here we'll be using the model called Ultimate Instagram Influencer Flux Edition that we'll use to generate the image that will serve as base for our AI influencer that we'll be working with. To start working with this model, go to the right side of the screen and click on Create. Then it will open a working environment on the left side of the screen where we can choose our prompts and adjust the settings as we like. Here you can choose settings like the aspect ratio and the number of steps that the model will take to generate our image. On a first try, I'd suggest you leave it all on default settings to try a few shots before you see what's better for you. Then, after you're comfortable with your prompt and settings, just go to the bottom side of the screen and then click on Generate to start creating your image. It's simple. Then, to see the image that you're generating, go to the top side and click on Queue. Here, you can see the image being generated in real time. So it may take a while for you to load the image as they're being generated in real time there. Here I'm going to speed up the process a little bit so you don't have to wait as much as I did there. Now, after the first image has been generated, you can already see it there on the top side. Now let's just wait for the next image to be generated, and now all that's left to do here is to save the image because we're going to use it later on the next step. Now for the final step, go to this page called Replicate and search for a model called Flux Polyd, where we can use for create consistent characters based on the first image that we saved on our computer. Now to select the image that we'll be working with, just go to the top part of the page and click on Choose a file from your machine. After you click there, it will open a box where you can just drag and drop an image that we'll be working with. Now, just select the image that we saved before and drop there on the box. As we drop it, we can already see the image on the left side there. Now, all that's left to do is to adjust the settings as we like. For example, a lower guidance scale means that the first image that we drop there will have more power in the outcome image. On the other hand, a higher guidance scale means that the prompt will have more power in the final image generated. For me, I find it best guidance scale close to 2, but you can try for yourself and see what works best for you. Then, after you're comfortable with your prompt and settings, just give a final check to see if everything's okay. Then, go to the bottom side of the screen and click on Run. Here, I choose my output quality to be at max, but you can try different values and see what works best. Then, after I click the Run, just go to the top side of the screen and you can see already the image being generated there. Now, for the sake of the video, I'm going to speed up this process because it took quite a while for the image to generate. So stay there and watch the final steps. Also, I had to change my format output from JPEG to PNG, so if you had the same problem, just try it out to see if it works. After the images are done generating, you can see them appear here on the right side of the screen. Notice that the image generated keep the same face as our original image, but they change her clothes and her posing. And with this, now you can generate unlimited amount of images for our influencer. Now, all that's left to do is to save the image that you like the most, and with this, now you know how to make your own AI influencer, with tools freely available to everyone. If you have any questions or problems during these steps, just leave a comment down there and I'll try to answer them as quickly as I can. Well, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.